Alright, what's up YouTube? Right now, we're going to unbox the Logitech Z323, which is the successor of the X240s. They stopped making these, I don't know why. Word on the street is they're buying their stuff cheap now, like the equipment to make the speakers. So let's go ahead and open these up. I just got it today, and the only thing that's different from the X240s and the Z323s is that the subwoofer on the Z23 is louder than the ones in the X240s. So, you know, you open the box, you get your normal manual and stuff. Now, I'm guessing these are the satellites. Well, these are bigger than the ones on the X240s. Alright, so let's go ahead and unwrap this. By the way, the subwoofer on the X240 was 15 watts, and the subwoofer for the Z323s are 18 watts. Alright, so this should be the guessing the right speaker. You have your porthole, the speaker, and another speaker in the back for the 360 sound. You have your volume knob and the connector to connect to the subwoofer. I'll go ahead and unwrap that. Yeah, this is what it looks like. And I guess an audio in cable, since it's green. Or, yeah. And you have your left speaker. Same thing as the right. This goes in the back of the subwoofer. And this is the big boy, the subwoofer. I will also do a hookup in this video, because in other videos I don't see anybody hooking them up. They just take them out the box and say, voila, thanks for watching. Like, come on now, that's not unboxing. I'm kind of fucking high right now anyway. So, this shit is smaller than the X240 subwoofers. But anyway, alright, you have your bass knob, your auxiliary ports, the RCA, the green and white. Turn it this way. And you have the right speaker connector, like I showed you before. The the VGA looking cord. And on the bottom you got your down firing subwoofer. I'm guessing this is not a Logitech brand sub speaker, because there's a patch right here, and I guess if I remove it, it'll probably say Dayton Audio or some crap like that. And you have your power adapter, AC cord, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Let's go ahead and connect this shit. I got my Zune HD charging right now, so after I'm done connecting all this, we can go ahead and play some music. I'm gonna do rock, hip hop, techno, and that's it. It'll be the end of the video. Gosh, why did he put this shit on like this? Go ahead and connect this to the connector. I would recommend plugging everything up before you give it some power. Other people just go ahead and plug it up till they see it and start connecting shit. And then the fucking left speaker. Make sure nothing's covering up the bass hole or port, whatever you want to fucking call it. Logitech is always switching up their fucking shit. Now they got fucking RCA connectors in the back. Now they're just dumb. They're acting dumb now. This goes in the left speaker port, which is yellow. And everything's connected. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. When I have one of these down-firing subs, I always put something hard under it. If it's sitting on carpet, it sounds way better. So I would just go ahead and sit it on this, and go ahead and give it some power with this power strip. Okay. Zoom HD. It still needs to be charged. So anyway, plug it up to this. Alright. This is how I have it set up for now. Almost forgot to take this off. Sorry about my fingernails. I forgot to cut them this morning, so don't leave in the stupid comments. Alright, now we're going to turn it on. You got your little orange light. Let's see here. We're going to start off with some hip hop. I don't know what song to do. Oh, the Joker. Let's do the Joker. My favorite underground hip hop artist.
Since you kicked it on some laid back type shit. Let you go kill these niggas.
Well.
Hey Joe.
Gonna take a shit.
It's been a while since you kicked it on some laid back type shit. Let you go kill these niggas.
Like spit free, but hold you an extra. This shit starring me. You look a little grumpy cause your man ain't shit. You wanna change your life, you need to change dick. I got too high, fuck, it's been. Bitch, I'm winning, 2.5 men. Blood of a tiger, nigga, I'm Tony. I'm where I wanna be. I'm in Tony, ain't coming fast. It's a info, fuck these hoes. It's simple, all my shit up. All I do is grind. All these shows, TV guys, don't go my high. That's interfering, the first bitch down. Insurance, you look like you bought the outfit on clearance. This shit ain't got nothing.
Okay, the way I feel right now, I'm fucking mad as hell right now because this fucking sub is like super fucking small. Doesn't even have that much bass like the X240, and I think the thing lied. Like I think the X240 is way super loud. Like, what the fuck, Logitech? Really? This shit isn't even loud. It looks loud, but it's fucking not. What the hell, yo? This is fucking disappointing. I might fucking put this shit on eBay. Like, really, dude. Shit is retarded. What song should I do? Oh, okay, let's see here. Some UKF dance and bass. This one. Yeah, I don't know why it sounds so fucking weak. It's probably because I'm fucking stoned out right now. You know, this shit doesn't sound as good as my X240s. I'd rather keep my X240s because really, these are a replacement because I called in about my X240's voice coil keeps popping or voice wrap, whatever the fuck you want to call it. And I'm mad as shit. Let's play some Limp Bizkit. I like this song. Okay, so I would give this piece of shit a 3 out of 5. The X240s a 5 out of 5, and this shit is retarded. I might put it on eBay. I don't like it. I wasted. Well, I didn't even spend money on this shit. You know what? Fuck it. Thanks for watching this unboxing and test. Leave a comment, subscribe, all the other bullshit. You know, the YouTube natural. Peace out, dude.